I haven't really got into contact with Steve. We've both been quite busy, to be honest, but I can't wait any longer because I've had this sat in my boot for the last, I don't know, about last month now. Yeah, but we've both been incredibly busy, so I thought, oh, I'm just going to go ahead and fit it anyway. But, yes, it is genuinely from Japan. Lovely. Might have to edit this because I'm not sure if I just showed my address on the camera. Yay! Lovely Japanese instructions. Sticker! That'll go good in my rusty boot. And of course, I've already done all this. I've already connected together. Not on proper yet though. Yeah. Apexi. The video isn't really so much as filming me fit it, because I haven't actually got a tripod or anything to hold the camera with, so I can simulate it right now what it looks like. I'm fitting the filter now. It's in. So, typical British weather. Rain. Yay. Alright, let's see how well I can do with just that. Lord. Oops. Oh, wow. It's not quite how I wanted it. Apparently going by the online judgment on measurements, they're all wrong. So it doesn't look the best, unfortunately, at the moment, but it's all there. So, it's not actually that bad, but I won't rev it yet because one, it's cold, two, I'm still in my driveway next to my neighbours. Give it a quick blip, but I won't go mad though. Ooh, that's a lot quicker response as well. Probably does nothing but noise, but I'm happy with it. Well, let's drive that for a couple of weeks and hopefully it'll be all good.